Good morning, students. Today we will be starting a new exercise number 43, page number 96. It is mainly based on the division concept only. You first read the question from your book. The question is divide the following. So now we will divide the decimal numbers with the decimal numbers. So you look on to the first question, 3.5 divided by 0.5. So you can write 3.5 divide by 0.5. Okay, don't like that. First do this. Here after decimal one digit is there na, you can write 30. Convert it to fraction, and same way convert that decimal to fraction. Okay, first write this fraction, then write the divide, then write the second fraction. Okay, 35 upon 10. Multiply will be there. 10 would be upwards and 5 would be downwards. 10 would be cut with 10. Here 35 will remain and here 5 will remain. You will get the 7 as answer. So this is how we divide our decimal with the decimal. You can have one more example of question number 3rd. Please write down the statement. 7.2 divided by 0.9. I have told you to convert that decimal to fraction. First you convert, after decimal one digit is there, so 1 0 would come. 0.9 upon 10. So I told you to write first fraction as such it is, and second as like this. 72 by 10, and this divide will change into multiply, and the denominator will become the numerator and numerator will become the denominator. So here 72 is remaining, here 9 is remaining, so 8 would come. So this is the answer. So like this, so this is the division concepts. We can take some more example, like you can take the example of 5th also. 32.4 divided by 0.06. First convert the decimal to fraction. 0.06 upon 100. So first fraction would come, we will write the first fraction as such it is as divide 6 upon 100. So 324 upon 10 multiply 100 would come upside upon 6. Okay, so what would be there? It would be there 3, 2, 4. When we multiply by 10, it would become 0 at the back upon 6. Now divide this thing. 3240 divided by 6. 3 5s are 30. 2 would come, 4 would come, 6 4s are 24. Oh, it would be 540. So answer would be 540. So all questions are like that only. We can have the example of 12th also. 8.75 divided by 0.125. Convert this to fraction and convert this to fraction. So first fraction would come like this and second fraction would come like this. 7875 upon 100 into 1000 upon 125. So it would be there like 7875 0 upon 125. So divide it. 78750 divided by 125. So read the table of 125 up to 6. That would be 756. So it would be like 375 3. Okay, so this 0 would come here. 630 is the answer. See the question number 13. Fill in the blanks. A 253.48 divided by 1.6 is equals to dash divided by 60. Okay, you can write here as x. We have to find the value of x. Okay, convert this to fraction and same way convert this decimal to fraction. So it would be x by 1 divided by 16 by 1. You have to convert this also to fraction, this also to fraction. I've told you write the first fraction as such it is as, and now it would become divide 16 by 10, then equal to will be there, then x by 1, then divide, then 16 by 1. Okay, it would be 2 5 3 4 8 upon 100. It would be multiply, 10 would be upside, 16 would be lower side, and x upon 1 will be one side, multiply 1 upon 16. Okay, if 16 is in the downside of equal to this side na, and 16 is at the denominator side of equal to of right hand side, you can cut it. So what would be there? 1 0 cut with 1 0. So here what would remain? X would remain. So here what would remain? 25348 upon 10. So you know if 1 0 is present at the denominator, you can convert this fraction to a decimal like this. So this is the value of x. So this is the way how you can find out what would come in the blanks. So we can try another question also, D question also. Dash divide by 250 is equals to 387.5 divided by 2.50. So here x would be there, x upon 1, 250 upon 1. I've told you to convert all these things into fractions first. This is also a decimal. Convert it to a fraction. Convert this decimal number to fraction. Then I've told you to write like this, 250 by 1, 3875 upon 10. Write like this, 250 upon 100. I've told you write first fraction as such it is, divide will become multiply 1 upon 250. Same way here, first fraction as such as it is, divide multiply, then like this. 250 would cut with 250. So 1 0 would cut with 1 0. What would remain here? X. equals to 38750 upon 1. So this is the answer. So this is all way you can do this exercise. The questions I've talked every type in this exercise, but you have to practice all the sums and you can match with my exercise that I've sent as a PDF. Thank you. Have a nice day.